Okay, welcome back mga scalper. Ethereum Technical Analysis. So basic concept ng support and resistance. First, kung makikita natin meron tayong demand zone here and support area. Bakit? Every time na tumatama yung Ethereum is nagbabounce lang siya. First here, umakyat. Second is possible nagkaroon ng liquidation, then umakyat. And the third one is hindi man lang siya tumama, then nagbounce siya paakyat. So, every time na tumatama to, meaning confirm na this is a demand zone for Ethereum. But meron tayong mga selling pressure. Kung makikita natin, meron tayong mga malalaking volume. But sa pinapakita ng Ethereum, first low, higher low, and meron naman tayong resistance area here. The moment na basagin ni Ethereum to, possible direction natin is to hit yung previous all-time high na 4K kay Ethereum. Sa pinapakita ni Ethereum, still nasa uptrend momentum. And the moment na magkaroon na tayo ng another rejection here, is possible magkaroon lang ng sideways momentum to. But the moment na ma-break nyo yung resistance area, is yung next direction na natin is yung 4K and possible to hit yung all-time high. We will always wait pa rin sa magiging reaction. And don't forget to wait ng pullback for higher probability trade.